What? So I was sitting here looking in there at a model number to get something for somebody else, and all of a sudden the light cut off, the motors cut off, the ice maker cut off, and this popped up. What does it mean? No lights, no blowers, no fans, nothing. It's basically completely off. It just happened like 30 seconds, a minute.
Oh.
So the suction fan's running. It's got power here, but the compressor is basically not running. Like nothing related to that. So anyway, unplug it. Let it sit for a minute, and then plug it back in. I know, I should really let you do longer than a minute. Like, it's good to give it enough time to really drain all that juice out. Like, yeah, the lights are, okay, let's see what happens. Okay.
I hear it. Okay.
Okay. So at least for now, the emergency is avoided. We're back up and running. But what does 01 mean? So first step first, anytime it happens, go to the manual, see if they actually just tell you right in the manual. So let's see what that shows. What's funny is apparently Troubleshooting 101 is Troubleshooting 101, a official Whirlpool site for a different model of Whirlpool fridge. Said for E1, remove the power, wait 1 minute, plug it back in, monitor for a minute. So I'm still concerned about why it happened in the first place, and I'm going to do some more research, but that was, at least according to Whirlpool, how you fix it.
Bonus points to anybody that notices the
crooked Montreal's head stuck in the wall. And used to remember that it used to be stuck up here.